This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make night oats updated. Mix rolled oats, milk, yogurt, chia seeds, and a sweetener in a jar, seal, and refrigerate overnight. In the morning stir, adjust thickness, and add fresh fruit, nuts, or a drizzle of honey for texture and flavor. Use a 1:1 ratio of oats to liquid for creamy results and customize flavors with cocoa, vanilla, or cinnamon, and enjoy. Start with simple ingredients and feel free to swap what you have on hand. Rolled oats give the best creamy texture, while quick oats will be softer. Use dairy or plant milk and add yogurt for tang and thickness, or skip yogurt for a lighter bowl. Sweeten with maple syrup, honey, or a sugar substitute, and try mix-ins like cocoa powder or nut butter to change the profile. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing simple meals. On another note, quick recommendation, I love the Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener for morning commutes after grocery runs. It keeps the car smelling sharp while you enjoy your breakfast. Check the description for the link and other deals, then settle back in with your oats. Now let's get back to the video. Prep stays simple when you keep ratios consistent and toppings ready to go. Measure 1:1 oats to liquid, stir in chia or flax if you want thicker oats, and refrigerate. In the morning, taste and tweak sweetness or thickness, then finish with vibrant toppings like berries, sliced banana, crunchy nuts, or a spoonful of nut butter. These small choices make each bowl feel fresh and satisfying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.